friends, thank you all for tuning in for the final day announcement, and we are so happy to share this news with you. So hope you're all ready for this. So what happened in a span of 3 years, 5 guides have come together and they have collectively poured their knowledge into an app that is called Fly Fishing Masterclass. So within this app, there is information on how to become a guide, how to fish like a guide, and on fly tying. So everything from rowing the boat, from different methods, the strategies for floating, strategies for fishing from banks, everything is within this app, and it is provided to you by guides who have shown that these methods work to their clients, hence why they've been in the business for over 2 decades. All right, so the other part that is worth mentioning that I want to share with you is the community that we have created with this app. So if you want to become a guide and you pass your online exam and your in-person exam, the theoretical exam, you are a member of the FFM community, where you can collaborate with other guides, you can share trips, and there's going to be so much more information and so much more collaborative effort within this community. And there's going to be events and things like that. So we are really excited for you guys to come and become a FFM member. So if you are interested in more information on this app and you'd like to know more, send us a message on this video, and we'll have we'll have a one-on-one information session with you, and we would love to tell you more about what's within this awesome app. Talk to you soon, guys.